This lakefront property is a beautiful and spacious home with plenty of features to enjoy. The 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a jacuzzi tub, offer comfortable living accommodations. The open floor plan, with lovely lake views from the kitchen and living room, provides a welcoming and relaxing atmosphere. The wraparound deck offers plenty of outdoor space to enjoy the beautiful lake views and fresh air. Walking down to the private aluminum dock allows for easy access to boats and jet skis with the dock tees off. The spacious front yard provides ample parking for several vehicles, making it easy to entertain guests or have multiple vehicles on the property. Overall, this lakefront property seems like an ideal location for those looking to enjoy the beauty and relaxation of lakeside living.